a Suzuki power plant that'll go through. It might break an axle. They're powerful.
You should turn over here and light the water up.
I did my crappie flopping. Took the weekend off with a crappie flopping.
Hold on, stand back for a second. He's gonna come over here and turn his lights on. Yeah! That's a woman right there. Oh yeah! Come on! Yeah! Yeah! Somebody get this woman a beer. Cats can float.
They can. Fucking kitties love water.
Now you got your confidence. Do it again.